had to double back because I'm like, yeah, they are too long. Look at me looking like these too long. I should have got them a little shorter. Hey Daz, welcome back to another vlog video. Oh, this weekend I'm going on a trip, y'all. I haven't been on a trip in so long, but this is finally, y'all, because I needed that trip, baby. Y'all don't know how much stress I was going under, baby. I'm too excited. Jury on my neck for this here, baby, because after the trip we gonna exercise, but to the end we gonna eat. This is my first time eating today, so I don't think I'm gonna eat anything else. I'm gonna drink a lot of water. You know I'm lying. Y'all know I don't even drink water like that, but why I'm lying like that? She had to do something, so now it's pushed to 2, so it's 1:48. She only like 12 minutes away, so I'm on my way to my nail appointment. And yeah, y'all, I like doing my maintenance vlogs. I don't have my duck nails on. They came off because it was time for a fill-in, and I take my Miel pills, and when I take my Miel pills, y'all, what happens is oh my god, this the problem. My flaws, I just be like, I'm gonna stop coming on here looking like a crackhead. Like I just, yeah, I gotta do better. I gotta do better. Okay, but anyways, y'all, yeah, so I take my Miel pills, and when I take my Miel pills, my nails grow up. And then, like, you know, washing your hands a lot and doing all that other stuff, like, y'all know. I needed a fill-in, so I need to start going to get my fill-ins like every 2 to 3 weeks. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start getting press-ons, because, baby, that's kind of expensive, okay? It's expensive, and that's the problem. I don't budget my money right, so I need press-ons. I need to, like, put money to the side so I can get a fill-in in the next 2 weeks, period. That's just it, because I really want my nails to stay on to my birthday, because I don't know if I want a fresh set. To the side, I definitely want a fresh set. Nails done. Let's go. All right, child, so we have started the process of the nails. I am going to tell y'all my nail tech. Her name is Polka Dot, and I think it's with 3 underscores. If not, I will leave it down in the corner of the screen, y'all. So these are my booty diggers, okay? I be scratching my booty, and when I scratch my booty, my nails get real low, and these are my booty digger nails. But anyways, y'all, so she's gonna go ahead and she's gonna get these babies cute. They little, but we finna work with them. She's gonna take all the cuticles off, and everything, just so the nails can stay. Sometimes they don't be staying, but she's just gonna do that. She gonna take the cuticles off because we don't want that on there. And baby, when I say my cuticles grow real bad, they grow real bad. And sometimes I used to cut my cuticles off before I went to the nail shop, but they do that now. Cause when I used to go on 79th to nail 1, if y'all are real OG and y'all remember me going to nail 1 and standing in the line, girl, I used to cut my own cuticles. She told me to stop doing that, but baby, my cuticles would get rough. Anyways, now what she's doing is she is sizing my nails and putting my nails on. So she did this hand first, and when I tell y'all, she is the GOAT, because y'all about to see the design on my nails, and it's raw. Okay, it's raw. From the shaping to the getting it right, because y'all know my nails grow up. I keep telling y'all my nails grow up. So she put the nails on, and now she went ahead and clipped and did all that. She don't even need to shape them. They look good already. So this is my other hand, and I'm just showing y'all exactly how the nails look. Now it's time for the shaping. So she put the nails on, she clipped them, now she's shaping them. But you already know, when you put the acrylic on, you still gotta shape them. But let me tell y'all, she eats every time. So if y'all haven't heard of Polka Dot, I'm pretty sure y'all have. Go hit her up. Tell her that B Marie sent you, so she give me some discounts or something. I don't know, something. So y'all, she just Fowler. She does everything by hand. It really don't be no drill. She do everything by hand. And what she's doing now is she is fouling, y'all, with her hand foul. Like, she cold as hell, I'm telling you. So after she do that, I think she's basically because I'm trying to do nails, and look, these videos will be good for me and helpful because I can go back and look exactly what she's doing. So She is shaping the nails and then also filing it down where the nail bed is, so that the fake nail can blend in with the natural nail. And I love that part. I love that part where you shape the what you call it? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. The part where it's like square at. Ooh, that's my favorite part. But we working with these colors today, and let me tell y'all, she is about to snap. I think I'm tired of talking. I'm gonna let y'all sit back and watch this video, and I'm gonna see y'all on my next clip.
Is it true you actually think of me as less than you? Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn and learn to trust whenever, whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. It doesn't make sense that somebody else got all of the praise when you did the same thing.
Y'all, she got a snack bar. Oh, let me take a Jolly Rancher. Hey, stay away. I need to stay away.
It doesn't feel real when they all say it's
Yes, give it to me. They coming together, y'all. Got this one in here.
same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever.
Boom, y'all. She did her. Y'all see that? Period. She did that. Ooh, these nails fire. I'm gonna slay every time, y'all. She snapped, and I love that little man on my hand. All right, y'all. I just got my nails on. Look, I ain't had no nails on. Yes, they long. I had cherry. Bro, I had to remember what I had. Ain't even supposed to be having them. Oh, these are so cute. Y'all see these? I be getting my nails. I miss getting my nails long, so I had to go back to long. I'm like, let me do long. I ain't did long in a minute, baby. Cause baby, these cute. I got a rail on this time. I had to double back because I'm like, yeah, they are too long. Look at me looking like these too long. I should have got them a little shorter. No, let me quit. And I like this little man. He just the cutest on my hands. But yeah. Okay, so I'm about to head to, I'm gonna eat the rest of my burrito beach, but I'm about to head back home. I'm trying to see if my expenses can give me something from Sephora. I want a lot, but I gotta pay my car note. It's that time. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna go home, and then y'all gonna see me what I do next. Cause tomorrow I'm gonna do wax in feet and probably eyebrows, and that'll be my whole routine. Cause I don't really get a lot. I don't get lashes, none of that done, but You know, a girl be good when she be like, what? I just be saying anything, y'all. I swear I do. Y'all know a girl be excited when she get them nails on. That's what I meant to say. On my way home. Yeah, let me fix my room. About on my way home. Why is we walking into this altar? Tell me. These smell so good, y'all. Like, I wanted this one, but I want this one too. I want both, so let me go ahead and take a picture and send it to my ninja. So good. I don't really like the red one. Yeah.
I guess I can hear them. I can't even tell.
Yeah. Go ahead, baby. She can sing. That girl can sing. Get her I went to Sephora and got this. I knew she wanted something as soon as she was looking at them toys. Look at her. Look at her. Let's get out of here.
Up there. Can you pick me up?
This? Y'all, we is late. I had to go to the bank to get like some money for picture day. So she about to go. My baby is so pretty, y'all. Like, she is so gorgeous. Look at her nails, y'all. She did not want to take them nails off.
My mommy gonna pick me up at 3:30.
Yeah. 3:30. Yes, I am. Mommy gonna get her toes done.
You about to get your toes done?
Girl. Alright, y'all. I'm about to go drop her off and then I'm gonna be on my way. Some of these videos are for cans, some of them not. Oh my god, y'all. I'm gonna have to stop coming on here rough, but this is so a part of what made this vlog. Do not judge me, okay? Because baby, I'm looking rough as I'm speaking on myself right now. And like I said, I gotta stop doing that. And then I gotta go shower real quick because I don't think I know what's stanky. Then I had set a wax appointment for 12, and then the nail tech told me, so can you come in at 12? Lady. I should have went down that way. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all later. All right, y'all. Time for the feed. Okay, so I actually didn't need a pedicure at the moment. I just was going on a trip, so y'all gonna see that video coming up soon. I wanted some new toenails, okay? And yes, I shaved them down. She's going to fill them in. I just went ahead and filled them in. And what she's going to do is do her routine, what she does on my toes all the time. I get the same acrylic, the same nude acrylic, and most of the time you won't see me do a lot to my toes. Like, I do not get anything different. But however, this summer I feel like I want to switch it up. I was gonna say change it up, switch it up, and get more designs on my toes. But I love the flowers. The flowers are my fave. Like right here, boom. And I just love this design, y'all. Like, my toe lady be snapping. She not toe lady, she a nail tech, but she does toes too. And like I said, she be killing the toes. So yeah, I'm about to be done with the toes, and I'm gonna leave my nail lady right in the corner. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next clip.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll like hips and take back sip on it, take a trip.
Sorry y'all, but this is my favorite part. My toes, I feel like they be swelling a lot. So when she starts to rub them and I get my toes done and stuff like that, once they're done, oh my god, it's just so, go check her out, please do. Okay y'all, so see, here go my finish. I'm always eating, and I'm down to try something new. They have these new patty melts or something melts. Girl, I had to try it. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Earlier, but I tried these new cheesy melts. These good. To get the brows done, y'all. I be going so many places, like, it's crazy. I be going from this place to the next place to the next. Too much gas wasted. They could give me some money if they want. All right, y'all. So I came here for these. They got rich. I got the, what is this one? The deep bronze. No, not deep bronze. I forgot which one I got, but it was darker than that one. But I like these two colors. I got rich. And then I want to try, they can't stop, won't stop concealers and warm honey. Let me get it. All right, y'all. I'm about to go in this Discovery. I ain't been in this one before. I didn't grab much from here, but I did go ahead and grab some thongs and panties because they have the best thongs and panties. Like that, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm so stressed because yesterday when me and my mom was outside, I'm trying to show y'all. I hit a pothole. It wasn't a pothole. It was like a pothole, the things you cover the pothole up with. And I told my mom, like, it's going to go down by tomorrow. And look what it did. Like, this be blowing me. This is the second tire this month. Because I just got my tire changed. That I had to change. Like, I had run flat tires, but I'm sick of this. Like, this is the worst car. But how am I supposed to ride and it got weak ass tires? Y'all, when I actually hit that pothole or the cover to the pothole, it actually broke the rim, and now the air is like tremendously like just coming out of the tire. Like every time I fill it up, give it about like 1 second, and the air is like coming out the tire. Really not 1 second, probably about like 3 minutes and it's coming out. But yeah, I went to go take my car to the shop right now and it's getting fixed. I had to tell y'all that. They pumping the air in the tire right now. Okay, y'all made it to the end. I did go ahead and get my wax, but stay tuned for part 2 for the vacation vlog. If you're here, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all like my maintenance vlogs, okay? Because I'll definitely keep them coming. And until then, I'll see you in another one.